Hello, my third grade friends, and we are on week 16, day 3 of our math review. And remember, you should have spent at least 10 minutes trying to solve these problems. If you got stuck, okay, that's totally fine. You're correcting it now, and you're learning how to solve these problems. So let's get started. Also, remember that the expectation is that you show your work so I can try to understand the process you're doing. So 12 divided by something equals 3. Okay, so we have 12 things. Okay, 12 things. I'm just going to draw this out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And they are going to be in groups of 3. So I could go... I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That would be like if I was sifting 12 different things and putting them in groups of 3. Now I can count how many ones there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that must mean if I have 12 items and I divide them into 4, that will equal 3 equal groups. Let's try this. Something divided by 5 equals 3. So, because division can be tricky, but it can be done. So if we have equal groups of 3, so I have 3 groups, all right, and there are 5 items in each group. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 3 groups with 5 items in each group. How many items did I start with? How many total items are there? Well, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So hopefully you understand how to do that. And then we have 15. So now we have 21. Okay, so 21. That's 15. Here's 19. Here's 21. Okay, so I have 21 fish right here, right? And I divide them into 3 equal groups. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See how I am dividing my pile of fishes? I had 21, and I'm dividing them into equal groups of 3. And then it will tell me how many are in each group. So my pile has dwindled into 3 groups. And how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. Maybe you found a different way to solve that, and that's great. That's awesome. Either way, I want you to show your work. Okay, what time is shown on the clock? So we have to start with the hour. So if I draw, my hour hand is the short arm. So this is my hour. So it's past the 9, but not to the 10. So whatever number it's past, it is 9. Okay. And then the minute hand, remember it's not going to be 9, 3 between 4. The minutes are counting by 5. So 5, 10, 15, but it's not to 20. So then if I draw this, it looks like it's about in the middle. So if I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm going to say that this is 9:18. Hopefully you got that number too. Now let's look at this next problem. Terrence tackled a total of 42 football players in the last 6 games. He tackled the same number of players each game. So that's basically saying that it's equal groups. So it's not like one game he tackled 5, another game he tackled 4. He had the same number of tackles in each group. How many players did Terrence tackle? So hopefully when you are reading this, you're like, a division problem. So the division problem is going to be 42 because that's the total number of tackles he had. So 42 tackles. And he had 6 games. So 42 divided by 6 is, okay, let me think about this. 42 divided by 6 is, 7 times 6 is 42, is 7. So he had 7. He tackled 7 players per game. So I could on this side, if you don't know 42 divided by 6, I could have 6 games, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I could count 42 because this is the number of games. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So this, I just checked my answer. So there are 7 dashes per game. So that must mean how many players did he tackle? He tackled 7 players. Not just 7, but 7 players. Okay. Okay, so 4 times 7. So we could skip count 4 times. So 7, 14, 21, 28. Okay, that's one method of solving it. Another method, 9 times 7. So I'm going to just do 9 times 7 over here. Okay. Well, I know that 9 is really 5 and 4. So I could do 4 times 7, 5 times 7, that's where the 5 came from, equals 35. And 4 times 7, well, I just figured that up about here, so I could use my work there, is 28. Then, remember, we got to add it, so we are decomposing 9 into numbers that are a little bit easier. 5 plus 8 is 13. I carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. So 9 times 7 must be 63. And 5 times 8. So we're going to count by 5s 8 times, because counting by 5s is easy. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I did that 8 times. So 5 times 8 is 40. However you solved it, you might have solved it different ways than I did. And that's totally fine. But you just got to show your work. And the word of the day is going to be, it's actually going to be a number, 34, exclamation mark, because it's my birthday and I'm 34. So, okay, see you next time. Bye.